This tutorial shows you how to chat with Meta AI directly from your browser version of WhatsApp. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. At this point, once logged in, click on the search icon at the top of your chat list. From there, type in Meta AI in the search field. After that, click on the Meta AI chat that appears in the results. In the next step, type your question or request into the message field at the bottom. From there, press Enter or click on the send icon to submit your message to Meta AI. Once done, Meta AI will respond directly within the chat window, just like a regular conversation. Following this, you can continue asking follow-up questions within the same chat for a more natural back and forth. From here, if you want Meta AI to generate an image, simply describe what you want it to create directly in the message field. At this stage, wait a few seconds and Meta AI will generate and display the image directly within the chat. After this, if you want to start a fresh topic without previous context, click on the three dots at the top of the chat and look for an option to clear or restart the conversation. Keep in mind, Meta AI on WhatsApp Web syncs with your conversation history on the mobile app, so any previous chats with Meta AI will also appear here. Finally, go back to your chat list and confirm Meta AI is responding correctly to your messages on WhatsApp Web. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Meta AI on WhatsApp Web, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.